plan in place today, but that time is running out.
We now have a storm that's expected to become a Category 4 hurricane
here overnight tonight and tomorrow morning. It's turning to the northeast here slowly.
We got the top down, cruising at 65, the engines roll